What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to give other people permission to edit or to view your design in Canva PC. So firstly, what you want to do after you created your design and you did your work is to go and click on the share button, and as you can see here we can share the design with other people. If you click on here, you can invite people by Canva name and by email, and also you can give access to other people by clicking here. Now it's on only you can access. If we click on here, we have the option anyone with the link can access the design. Now, as you can see, if we click on here, we can choose the permission that we give to people who have our design link. They can edit is the first option, they can comment, or they can only view the design. So let's put it on can edit, and we can now copy the link and share it to other people that we want on this design. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.